Bet on low Canadian, this Brandon Hicklin ran at LSU, North Carolina A&T. 3 times he's gone sub 10, including this year already. So he's fit and shown that he's quick.
This is Akeem Blake. I was waiting to hear the audience because of the crowd, because there's so many Jamaicans here. He ran really, really well. He's already gone under 10 seconds this year. I
should pause for Oblique Seville then, too.
I'm telling you, it's like a home crowd.
Hey, and what's crazy, we're going to go to Philly, and it'll be like that there in Philadelphia, too, right?
Absolutely.
Jamaicans are mad for track up in Philly. There's Kenny.
He's a slam winner already. Dominant in the 200 and really has been sharpening his skills here in the 100.
Yeah, a couple of Olympic silver medals. Zharnel Hughes, bronze at the World Championships in Budapest. Got a handful of global relay medals as well for Team GB.
And added to this field, adding some real class here with Andre De Grasse. He's Canada's king of medals. He has 7 Olympic medals and 5 World Championship medals. There's just no one that compares to him. He shows up when it counts.
Yeah, I said to you guys, if this has been Olympic year, I'd like, okay, I'm going to bet on him right now. I don't know what to do in 2025. Benjamin Richardson, 100 and 200 Olympian for South Africa, rounds out the field there in lane 8. So 8 guys, 8 really good guys. Watch for Kenny, obvious there in lane 5, as he is the slam champ from Jamaica. Steve Cram upstairs.
Some of the other guys, he's in lane 8. So Oblique Seville in 4. He's one of our racers. Bednarek also, and Zharnel Hughes. The challengers in 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8.
I do expect Oblique Seville to have a much stronger showing today. The thing about Kenny in Kingston, had a stumble that kind of ruined his momentum. So we'll see if he's able to go through his phases smoother today.
Men's 100 meters, race 1 in the short sprints. Pretty even start, all right in the middle. Seville has got out strong, so is Akeem Blake alongside him. Bednarek is trying to run the 2 of them down. It's going to be very close here. It's going to be Kenny again! 978! Whoa!
I knew we'd see 9.7 today.
Oh, I just was waiting for the win reading. It's plus 2.4. Oh!
That's okay.
He doesn't care.
That's okay.
Look at him go. He doesn't care.
That's okay.
Go on, Kenny. He's going to run it again just to show how good he was.
He needs to chill. He's got to run the 2 tomorrow. But the thing about running 9.7 or running really fast with the wind, your body felt it. Your nervous system felt it. So that's in his legs now.
Aww.
Considering what the women ran, I knew we would see 9.7 today.
Oh, it's such a shame with that, isn't it? You know, the first thing I was looking for was we were waiting for it to come up, and it comes up 2.4. Yeah, so anyway, just to remind you, anything over 2 meters per second cannot be counted for record purposes.
For record purposes.
But he knows, I mean, first of all, he won.
He did.
And the guys ran well. Seville got out well. Blake got out really well, really well. But he's so strong. Once he's up, that momentum he has in the last 20, 30, can't hold him back.
No. For mental purposes, 9.7 anything is really, really good. So you can tell by his response, he's happy about that. He's not really concerned about the win and all that. He knows that this is good for what he's going to be able to do moving forward. So coming out the blocks, he did kind of stumble still in his first couple of steps. But moving through the drive phase was a lot smoother than Kingston. Wasn't in front, but was near the front of the pack. And coming out of his transition, his top speed is definitely in a place where it needs to be. He was happy before he even saw the clock. So with Kenny, and I mentioned this when I saw him run earlier in Kingston, I would like to see his elbows open up a little bit more on his ground strike, just to get a little bit more extension. But as far as being streamlined, Kenny's in a really good place technique-wise.
I love we're getting. I mentioned the stats that we're getting. We're getting this every 10 meters. He was level with Blake. He caught Blake by 50 meters, and then he took 100. Every 10 meters, then he took another 100 out of him.
The recent 100M showdown brought together an electric mix of elite sprinters, with Kenny Bednarek once again asserting his exceptional form this season. Known primarily for his 200M prowess, the American star has clearly honed his explosiveness over the shorter distance. and the results spoke volumes. Jamaica's emerging talents Akeem Blake and Oblique Seville were also in the spotlight, both having broken the 10-second mark earlier this year. The stadium erupted with cheers from the island's loyal fans, creating an almost home-like environment despite being away from Jamaican soil. Adding to the star-studded lineup were Canada's Olympic medalist Andre De Grasse, Great Britain's bronze-winning Zharnel Hughes, and South Africa's Benjamin Richardson, an Olympian steadily improving on the world stage. The field promised high-stakes action, with each competitor capable of producing elite-level sprinting. When the race got underway, the start was tight, with Seville and Blake making early gains. Yet Bednarek quickly found his rhythm. By the midpoint, he had drawn level with Blake and then gradually began to surge ahead. In the final stretch, he crossed the line in a dazzling 9.78 seconds. Though the plus 2.5 meters per second tailwind disqualified the time from record eligibility, the performance was still extraordinary. Bednarek's win underscored his peak condition, especially impressive given a minor stumble in his initial strides. Commentators highlighted the smoothness of his acceleration and top-end velocity, a marked improvement over his previous race in Kingston, where a slight misstep had disrupted his momentum. His technique was sharper, transitions cleaner, and while small tweaks, such as slightly wider elbow angles for better stride extension, remain possible, his sprinting form is undeniably elite. Split analysis showed Bednarek matching Blake's stride for stride over the first 50 meters before gradually widening the gap, ultimately finishing roughly half a second ahead. This level of speed execution cements him among the top 100 contenders worldwide this season. Earlier in 2025 at Jamaica's Grand Slam meet, Bednarek claimed victories in both the 100 and 200 against a stacked field that included Seville, Blake, and Fred Curley. His 9.79 second win there was among the fastest of the year. Perhaps most striking was Bednarek's ability to ease slightly before the finish line in the latest race, signaling untapped reserves. His timing suggests he is peaking optimally, with national trials and the World Championships looming. With $100,000 in prize money at stake, about 15 million Jamaican dollars, athletes were highly motivated to perform at their best. Bednarek certainly delivered. Looking ahead, fans are eager for a potential clash between Bednarek and Noah Lyles. Though Lyles has had a quieter season, Bednarek's consistency and raw power position him as a serious contender for global titles in 2025. Ultimately, this race wasn't just a thrilling 100 spectacle. It sent a clear message. Kenny Bednarek is a dominant force in both the 100 and 200 His victories, technical mastery, and elite-level speed, even under non-legal wind conditions, mark him as one of the sport's most formidable sprinters today.